Hello! So, it's the 6th of November and we are officially a fifth of the way through NaNoWriMo. Today I had a good day writing wise. Thankfully, I wrote 1,848 words, which brings me to a grand total, I have to look down to read it, of 11,362. So, I'm really happy with that. It means I'm 1,360 words above where I should be. So going with the 50,000 word goal in 30 days, on today you should be at 10,002 words. Again, I say should be if that's your definition of success with NaNoWriMo. If you get 10,000 words written in 30 days instead of 6, that's an achievement in and of itself, so be proud of that. For me, this is where I am and I'm really happy with it. And that's actually what I want to talk about today in general. I want to talk about what you can do to make sure that you do get to your 50,000 without totally ruining the entire month of November on yourself. 50,000 is a lot of words. And when you break it down, it's 1,667 a day, the golden number as I've been calling it. And 1,667 is quite a lot of words when you have to factor in that the rest of your life is still happening. So, what you need to do is you need to plan catch-up days. I, in the past, have always used Saturdays as my catch-up day. Maybe it's just because Saturday works for me because I'm off work. I don't really have anything on Saturdays. I don't have any other commitments. So it's nice to be able to really sit back, relax, calm myself down, plan ahead for the week that's coming, and then attack that word count as well. So again, as I said, 1,667 a day is a lot. However, it never works out to be that. You never will do 1,667. For example, the first couple of days I did 3,044. Then I did 1,349, then 1,803, then 1,680, then 1,638, and then today 1,848. So you can see there I didn't do 1,667 every day, but I am averaging out that way, and that's what you want. It's all about the average. So don't beat yourself up if you only managed to get 1,300. I didn't on the 2nd of November. Instead, celebrate when you have a day off work like I did on the first day and got 3,044 words out. My personal best of all time was 5,000 words. My verse, it was my very first NaNoWriMo. I started a Saturday at 5,000 words and finished that Saturday at 10,000, and I was over the moon and it was great. But I suffered major burnout on the Sunday and didn't manage to write anything at all. So you have to be careful too. So here's what I want you to do in the coming while before the rest of November catches up on us all. Look ahead and pick 1, 2, or 3 catch-up days. Days that you know you can clear your schedule if you need to. Sit down and absolutely hammer out words at an incredible pace. I know you can do it because I did it. And if I can do it, trust me, anybody can do it. I spoke before about figuring out where you can take time out of your day in my making time video, where you remember that your day is already full and you see what you can take out to put writing in. So do that on a month kind of scale. Look at it at, right, do I have to go to the basketball match? Do I have to do this? Do I have to do the other? It's fine to say no. I did today. I normally play basketball with a group of friends. Hello. I normally play basketball on Tuesdays, and the new league is starting up, and I just was honest. I said I'd love to, but I'm not in November. I have too much on. I have a book to write and I have videos to make. So don't be worried about saying no, and definitely don't be worried about saying no in advance so that you have a catch-up day. The best thing to do when you're looking at your catch-up day is to treat it like it's an appointment. If you had a dentist appointment and a friend texts you and said, hey, would you like to go see a movie with me tomorrow? You'd say, oh, I can't, I have a dentist appointment. And that's the kind of respect you have to give your own writing and your own craft. You have to look at it in the sense of, oh, this is important to me, it's only this month, I'm going to have to say no. And that's the only way you're going to keep ahead of yourself. And if you have those catch-up days, trust me, if you have them planned, it's really going to alleviate any guilt or pressure or worry that you're feeling about being a little bit behind. So that's my advice for today. That's all really I have to say on that. So what days you're going to pick for your catch-up days? Is it going to be Saturdays? Is it going to be Tuesdays? Is it going to be every odd numbered day? I don't know. But you do. So let me know. As well, let me catch me up on your word count, and just let me know how you're getting on with NaNoWriMo in general. And please, definitely click the subscribe button and get in touch. At the end of the day, all I want you to do is keep writing, and remember, the only one who can tell your story is you. Bye.